Welcome to the Füvészkert in Budapest. Today we're here because I've taken part in an Ikebana exhibition. So every year the Botanic Garden here in Budapest, or there's actually quite a few, but this specific one, they always do a Sakura festival, which is basically Japanese cherry blossom. So they invite people to come in, have a picnic, spend a day, and there's lots of things, all things Japanese. So today there's going to be kendo, Japanese archery, there's Japanese sushi, there's lots of things. So we're very lucky that we're able to stage an exhibition with some Ikebana. So let's have a little look. enjoyed our little tour. It's something a little bit different. I was really lucky to be able to take part, and I hope you've enjoyed our designs, but I hope you've enjoyed just the kind of Japanese feel. So thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you for our next floral design video.